Tip number 3. Swim in front of the wave. Do you know why it is so hard to break the 1-minute barrier in the 100 long course for most of us? Well, it's because of this wave. The bow wave is a form of resistance if you're behind it. If you're in front of it, it can be a source of propulsion. But how do you get in front of that wave? By swimming at hull speed. At this speed, the wave goes back relative to your body, and you essentially surf your own wave. This hull speed depends mainly on your height. To calculate yours, use this formula. Take the square root of your height in meters and multiply it by 1.248. For example, for me, at 1.8 meters, that would be 1.6 meters per second, which is like swimming 25 meters in 14.93 seconds without a push or a dive. The faster you go above this speed, the less drag you'll experience, and going faster gets easier. Of course, the challenge then becomes to maintain that critical speed without your muscles getting fatigued. On the video about breaking a minute, I was barely swimming at this speed. In the last 12.5 meters, I was swimming at 1.7 meters per second, and you can see the wave almost catching up. If I would have fell below 1.67 meters per second, I would have slowed down much more because of this wave. And if you want an extra boost, you can also ride the wave of the competitor next to you, like Jason Lisak did. Just make sure you're in front of this bow wave. Of course, the lane lines break it up a little bit, but not all of it. Practice achieving this hull speed only for a few meters, and then practice maintaining it for longer distances. It will feel different from your normal technique, and you better get used to it. This also works for backstroke. In breaststroke and butterfly, it's a little different because you constantly go underwater and get rid of this wave. In butterfly, you can see it behind the fast swimmers intermittently, but in breaststroke, their speed drops dramatically when the torso is out, so the wave catches up.
Professor, so you're saying that in order to swim fast, I should swim faster?
Yes, that, and subscribe to Skills and Talents. If you normally swim for about an hour and about 2,000 meters or yards, and your main stroke is freestyle, we made a swim program containing 100 workouts that will help you improve your swimming. Each one of them is carefully crafted to work along the other 99 of them. By doing this program, we guarantee you will improve your stroke length, your balance, and your coordination, or we will give you your money back. We designed this program with certain people in mind. If that's not who you are, leave us a comment below of your profile so that we can do a program more similar to your needs in the future. Tell us how long you practice, how many meters or yards, your 100th time of your best stroke, and how many times a week you go swimming. Here's the winner of the last giveaway. To participate in a chance to win our freestyle program containing 100 workouts, you just have to share this video on your swim team chat, take a screenshot, and send it to us via email or WhatsApp to this number. And if you want to learn more about this program, click here. See you there. Swim fast. And to the other while doing reverse snow angels. This exercise is great for the shoulder stabilizer muscles and